Hello everyone, my name is Sheriff Sharma. I'm the Director of Business Development with DTN Staffing, and welcome to a brand new time clock system named Tempworks. Now this is a mobile app-based platform. You will be able to clock in your time, look at your pay stubs, make any changes, assignments, scheduling. All those details are very convenient in this app. We also have a browser-based application named Web Center. I've already made a video on that one separately, so we will only discuss that mobile app-based platform named Tempworks. So let's get started. This is the app you will download from Apple Store or Android Store. We have already sent out emails to all employees the links to download these app. So just to get started, we will click on the app after you download that. As soon as you click on the app, it was going to ask you an invitation code. We have already sent out all our employees the invitation code to enter this app, which is pretty standard. I'm going to do this here. It's DTN 6672884. Again, it's DTN 6672884. You'll verify that, and this is going to ask you your username and credentials. Your username and password is already sent out to all employees as well. It's very much similar to your first name and your last name. And password for you guys is going to be DTN 6672884. Password is standard throughout everybody, but once you log in, we recommend that you change your password for privacy. So you will be signing in. After you sign in, it's going to ask you for a PIN code. Now this is just another security measure. It's asking you a PIN code to prevent people from entering your app and looking at your pay stub and details. So we'll just set up a simple PIN code that you will remember. If you have Apple phone, this will basically ask if you want to use Face ID. This we won't. So there you go. This is your main dashboard for this app. As you can see on the bottom, you have multiple options. You can see this home, assignment, job board, availability, and there's more. And the location that you see, it tells you the location of your current assignment. If you have a contract at Knife River or Dakota Alpha, any different facility that you're assigned to, this will tell you the position or the location of that particular assignment. This is not tracking your location, it just gives you location of where that facility is in case you need help with the directions. So I'm just going to go over with the options at the bottom. Home obviously will just take you to this home screen. Assignments, if you click on assignments, this will tell you what assignments you're currently in. We have a lot of employees working in 2 different facilities. So your assignment, if you're working in 2 different facilities, will show up 2 separate assignments. Obviously this is a test I was doing, and this is multiple tests I was using as the test setup. So I have multiple in there, but you only will have the one that you will be working as a CNA, LPN, RN, depending on where you are. And so you can click on any of them, and this is where it says enter time. This is where you will actually enter your time. Okay, you can go back, you can go forward, and it's very simple. You will clock in the time that you'll be working. And 30 minutes break is required. It's mandatory for every 8-hour shift. You will enter your time of the break. You were here, you will enter your time, you clock out. And some of our employees are working 2 shifts in a day. For example, if you're working from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m., then you go home and you come back from 6 p.m. to 10. Some employees have split shifts like that. The second shift you can enter down here, just to have that option. If you look at others, this is where you will add any notes. If you missed anything or there's any discrepancy, you will type that note in here to let a payroll know or staffing manager know. Another important option is new adjustments. Now, new adjustments is basically your mileage, meals, and lodging. This is the details that you will be typing in here for a whole week. As you can see, it says from July 27th to June 27th to July 3rd. So the adjustments are going in for a whole week, and these details will be given to you by your manager when they give you an assignment. Okay, let's go back to home screen. As you can see, it says current assignment on top right here. And then this current assignment is basically telling you what the assignment you're currently in. If you have two different contracts, one you're currently in and second one you're starting in a month later, the one that is a month later will not show up here. This is only to show your current assignment. Another option on the bottom is job board. Now this is a brand new feature. Job board is like traditionally we have text our employees or email our employees for all the new assignments or new contracts. Now you guys can go and just filter these results and you will see all the contracts we have for every position. And you can apply for these contracts straight from this app. Let's say I want to apply for the CNA assistant position. I can just click on this and I say apply now on the bottom. And as soon as you do that, the manager who has created these assignments will get a notification with your profile, everything that this person is interested in it. And they can assign you from their home screen as well. So yeah, please utilize this, and you can, like I said, filter out based on what city. If you're in only one state, what position you're interested in, you can filter these out from here. Another thing is availability. Now availability is basically if you're on a vacation and you do not want any notification or you do not want anybody contacting you, you can set up the dates that you're unavailable. And this will prevent you from getting any notifications or any calls or any messages for that time frame. And it will take you off the list from the employees that are interested in a position. So when manager sends out a mass invite, you will not get that for that time frame. It's just a little nice feature for your own convenience. If you go to the option more, this has some more features in here. Pay statements, obviously I don't have anything in here, but give you all your previous pay stubs. You can look at them, all the details will be included in there. Job offer will obviously take you to our job board. So just another way to get there. Another important thing about this app is as soon as you log in, you must change your password. So in order to change your password, you will go on the top right corner and then you will go to my information. And here you will change your web account password. It's going to ask you for your old password, which is the same one like we send out to everyone, DTN 6672884. And whatever your new password you can decide, put in there, and you should be good to go. And here you can pretty much have all your detail. You can change your mailing address, you can change your email ID. Everything you want to change, you can go right from the app. Again, if you want to clock in your hours, you will just go to your current assignment, enter time, and you will add your time. Now if you want to view your previous time cards, you will just click here, view time cards, and it will, obviously I don't have anything in here, but it will show you all the previous time cards you were entering. And one important thing about this is once you're done entering your time, let's say I clock in at 8 a.m. you have to save it on the bottom. The time will not be locked in unless you save it. You will clock in every day for different days, as mentioned here. You will save time for each day, and by the end of the week, you will submit. Once you're done saving your time, there will be an option on the bottom that says submit. You have to submit your time before payroll will get it. So as long as you are in within that pay period, you guys can you're able to change time or edit your previous day times. Everything can be done through this app. This is just a basic summary on how to use this app. They have a lot more features to it, so just please go ahead and try the app out. If you have any questions, please give us a call in the office and we'll guide you through it. If this also has a detailed version in the email we have sent out to the new employees, but we will be sending it out again. Time tracker does shut off on 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, so make sure you do not use time tracker after that day. And this app will be implemented starting July 4th, midnight, 12 a.m. Sunday. So after 12 a.m. Sunday on July 4th, going forward, you guys will be using this app and you won't be able to enter time in Time Tracker.